Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 1959 Chevy Impala Convertible from Monogram, the 125 scale. And this is kit number 2437. There's a nice shot of a pretty nice looking car there. And this kit here came out in 1993. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This is one of them double-sized boxes. Almost can't fit the whole picture in the frame there. Alrighty. So right off the bat we have Monogram Build a Vehicle Made for Adventure. Little flyer there for a free catalog. That's pretty neat. Kind of wish I'd have sent that in back in the day. Alrighty. And next up we have the instructions with something inside here. What do we got that's hiding inside? Oh, that was weird. It felt really hard. Nothing in there though. So here we have nice little write-up on the 1959 Chevy. Okay. Talks about Pat Boone, Dinah Shore singing the joys of seeing the USA in a Chevrolet. Old commercial there. Basic before you begin tips. Putting your engine together first. Looks like a 409 in this one. Chassis build, exhaust. A lot of steps in this one, guys. Rear end work. Radiator, fan shroud. Nice, gives you tips on color choices to paint your stuff. Get your interior together. There's that classic, it says rear speaker there. I didn't realize that was a speaker. The little chrome piece that goes, or stainless, whatever it was, it went between the back seat right here. They call it a speaker there. I don't know that it was a speaker that I can remember. It may have been. I was too young to remember it. 33 is put the body and chassis together. Excuse me. 41 steps in this one. More? Well, even more, guys. Wow. Nice. Very detailed kit here. 52 steps. That's pretty cool. Alrighty. And right here on top we have windshield, back window glass, some clear lenses. I'm not sure what those are for. And then regular headlights. Maybe these are for the rear taillights, but they should be red. And here's the decals. Got some, looks like seat cover decals. License plate here says Impala. And again, I gotta grab the old magnifying glass. Indiana. That's the Indiana plate there. And you'd think I would have looked at that one too while I had it. I think that's a Michigan one. Oh no, I was wrong. That's Kansas. We got Indiana and Kansas here, folks. Different plates. Pretty nice looking pattern on those. That'll look sharp if it's done correctly. And these, you know what? These are stickers. They're not decals. These are peel and sticks. Okay. Oh, very nice. The body's molded in a real pretty blue. Wow. Go ahead and cut this open for the first time since 1993. Hard to believe. 31 years ago. Jeez. Wow. And there's the body, folks. That's beautiful. Wow. The color on camera is just about as accurate as you can get. It's kind of a mist blue, dark blue, royal blue, laser blue. I don't know what you call it. It's got metallic flake in it. Metallic flake, metal flake. And a little bit of flash right there. Okay. There's the underside of the body. It's really sharp though. Straight as an arrow too, man. And then we have molded in white parts, which is a really cool top. I like that. That's really sweet looking. And we have bench seat for the front. The back of the bench seat there, yep. And then the molded in rear seat, and that little metal piece I was talking about earlier goes in there. It said Impala on it. In the instructions they say it's a speaker, but I don't remember that being a speaker. Could be, I just don't remember it. Wheel backs, and then some very nicely detailed door panels for the inside. Very sharp. You have to find a different place to put these. Wow, these parts are huge. These trees are huge. Here's the chassis. Very nice thickness. Nicely defined details. Gas tank, the X-frame. Very nice. I like it. Here's a top for your convertible top cover. They have a special name for those. I just can never remember what it is. The radiator core support. Here's the dashboard. Nicely detailed. Beautiful color again. Match the body. Full dual exhaust. Upper control arms. The rear portion of your rear end, or I'm sorry, the front portion of the rear end, the carrier. Some shock absorbers. Something else I missed here. Oh, here's the lower portion of the front suspension, the lower control arms, some suspension, and the rear end with the bars there to hold it on. Here's two little lights for your tail lights. Very nice, molded in red, obviously. And the last for the colored parts, we have the hood with minimal detail. Nice thickness though. Some skirts for the rear wheels, if you like that look. Firewall, radiator shroud. Most likely a 409 engine. Halves with transmission. Air cleaner lid. Valve covers, battery, intake manifold, heads, wheel backings. Spare tire for a Continental kit, very cool. Intake manifolds, sun visors, some miscellaneous coolant lines it looks like. I'm not sure what these little pieces are here. They might be hinges for the hood. Horns and the hood latch. Four-bladed fan, distributor cap, one of those, fan belt and pulley system, steering wheel, steering column, steering gearbox, double drive shaft. Wow, I guess that was a big car, wasn't it? Never realized they had a double drive shaft in there. Front coil springs, generator with a bracket attached to it, starter motor. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like an ashtray. Where was that dashboard? Yeah, I think it is. I think that I lost it now. Where'd it go? Somebody shout out to the television. Let me know. Here it is right here. I got my finger on it. This right here I think is an ashtray. And it looks like it goes right here on the dashboard. That's pretty slick. I've never seen that before. If that's what it is. I mean, it sure looked like it. Here we have the water pump. And I'm not sure what that is. There's two pieces of it, two halves. I don't know what those two are, guys. Sorry. And here we have fuel pump, a little master cylinder, and an ignition coil. So that's it for the molded in color parts. Then we have chrome. Two trees of chrome, 1.5. Here's your windshield frame. You'll obviously have to cut those out very carefully. Here's some chrome for your side, chrome along the side of the vehicle. Very nice. Little bits and pieces, mirror sides, mirror, little hood ornament, I think that is, or could be a hood ornament or a door handle, but I think the door handles are already on it. Tail lights, bezels. Here's the front grille, bumper, rear bumper with the Continental kit, and then just rear bumper without the Continental kit for the spare tire. Here's some chroming for your dashboard, very slick. Some nice stock hubcaps, and some, maybe these are center caps if you wanted to do steel wheels, but I don't see any steel wheels included. Nope. And then the front chrome pieces for the front of the hood right here. That's what those are. That's pretty slick. And they have one more chrome, half a tree I guess we call it. And this one has just got miscellaneous little bits and pieces. These are antennas, I believe, that would go along the right here. Can you see that in the book? Yeah, right back there. That's an antenna. Windshield wipers, vent window frames for right there. And I can't make out. I think that's a tri-carb system there. 3 two-barrel carburetors and a gold or chrome license plate bracket. And then we have 4 tires. Your basic, what I call suicide tires, because the treads on them, you're committing suicide if you're going to count on driving around on those for a while. Well, that's it, folks. That was a quick one. I appreciate you stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell all your friends, and help me grow this channel, because I'm having a blast here. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and we'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.